This model, known as Anita Brown, has stirred social media over her alleged pregnancy for Nigerian star David Adeleke, popularly known as Davido. Brown claimed her phone was hacked, blaming the culprits for leaking her private chats with the singer. But that didn't stop the online community from dragging her for sleeping with a married man, accusing her of chasing clout. Popular Nigerian gospel film actor, producer and founder of film production company Mount Zion Faith Ministries, Mike Bamiloye, and his wife Gloria are marking their 35th wedding anniversary. On Wednesday morning, Bamiloye shared his wife's picture on his Instagram page, saying she still calls him Bro Mike even after years of marriage. He promised to break the jinx before their 40th wedding anniversary, saying, Asa Asika, the manager of popular Nigerian Afrobeat singer Davido, has claimed that he pays about 100 workers' salaries. The manager said he does this without even having a degree after he dropped out of the university. He stated this in a podcast interview where he shared his thoughts on life and experiences being a better teacher. He opines that an individual does not necessarily have to go by what many presume to be society's standard in achieving certain goals. How many baby mamas does Davido have?